UN has set 17 Sustainable Development Goals for socio-economic development of the underprivileged communities of the world by diminishing impoverishment, hunger, health, along with education and other versatile problems. But to achieve this goal, Bangladesh is ranked 120th among 157 countries in Progress Report on the SDGs. Unfortunately, still 17.6% of Bangladeshi people live below the lower poverty line. 36% of the rural and 28% of the urban population still could not be void of impoverishment. To achieve 1 and 2 of Sustainable Development Goals for the economic freedom of extremely impoverished people, World Vision introduced ultra-poor graduation model in Bangladesh.
It is really exciting that we have this opportunity in Bangladesh to do really good work with communities, to work with households to help lift them, to give them the tools to lift them out of poverty.
It's about focusing on the most vulnerable families and the most vulnerable children, and aims to take them on a pathway out of poverty.
From October 2017 to September 2020, the UPG project model will be implemented in total 43 areas under World Vision's Greater Program on Livelihoods.
This program targets the most destitute, chronically food insecure, malnourished families.
The model has an extensive role in increasing the income of the ultra-poor people of Bangladesh. A number of procedures have been followed in this project to achieve this goal. Targeting: identify the families through a poverty mapping and household survey.
গ্রামকে নিয়ে একটা মানচিত্র আঁকাইছি, আঁকানোর পরে গ্রামের মানুষদেরকে 4টা ভাগে ভাগ করছি: ধনী, মধ্যবিত্ত, গরিব, অতি গরিব। অতি গরিব যাদের 5 বছরের নিচে শিশু আছে, এরকম অতি গরিবদেরকে আমরা 25 জন মানুষকে এদেরকে আমরা নামের লিস্ট করে ওয়ার্ল্ড ভিশনদেরকে দেই।
Enterprise selection: making a scope for a small enterprise and livelihood opportunities for them through market assessment. Technical skills training: technical skills training to properly manage suitable business fields. Asset transfer: within 7 months from the beginning of the project, every participant has been given assets as capital which have helped them to begin their earnings. Coaching: regular coaching for social capital and to improve their financial knowledge and skill, and also to generate confidence among them. Savings: their earnings are increased by including them in mainstream banking system. Social integration: Village Development Committee, VDC, provides assistance to the poor families. Apart from these, this project has some other innovative sides. Some families covered under the project are now using natural vermicompost and pit compost fertilizer, natural insecticides, and the seeds prepared by the households by which they benefit from growing crops. Many people have become independent, benefiting from this process. Among them, Delora is a unique example.
3 বেলা পুষ্টিকর খাবার খাইতেছি, ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে খাওয়াইতেছি, লেখাপড়ার খরচ চালাইতেছি। আগে যে শাকসবজি কিনা খাইতাম সেগুলো টাকা ব্যয় হইতো, এখন সবজি বাগান থেকে তুলে নিয়ে খাইতেছি, এই টাকা আয় হইতেছে।
Not only Delora, but also Salma, Runa, Nargis and Farida, who benefited by many processes, getting economic well-being, becoming the assets for the country.
This is really important for us to understand that if we are really committed to achieve SDG goals, especially Goal 1 and Goal 2, ultra-poor graduation program probably the only solution that we have. And if we wish to see the outcome, if we really want to see the impact is out there.
I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with people who were given very small amount of assets, who were given a little bit of training, who were given a sense that they were included in something, in a movement, and it was transforming their lives.
Hopefully, at the end of the project, 29,235 poor people will be benefited. Allocation will be approximately $11.3 million. Training of trained community facilitators will be 336. About 184 project officers will be appointed to monitor the activities. Union Council, Community Clinic will be combined with Department of Agriculture Extension and Livestock Services of Government. The importance of each operational citizen is vital to speed up the economy of the country and make it more vigorous. Through developing the economic condition of a family, the UPG model works in overall development of children and ensure their basic needs.